Justice Mohammed Umar of the Federal High Court, Abuja has struck out the alleged cybercrime charge filed by the federal government against the senator representing Kogi Central Senatorial District, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. The judge on Thursday struck out the charge following the notice of discontinuance filed by the prosecution, the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF. This is coming few hours after Justice Chizoba Orji of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, struck out a similar case bordering on alleged defamation against the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, and former Kogi State Governor, Mr. Yahaya Bello. Although Akpoti-Uduaghan, her lawyers and prosecution lawyers were all seated in court on Thursday afternoon, the judge, however, called the parties into his chamber where the notice of discontinuance was moved by prosecution counsel, Aderonke Imana. Just like the situation at the FCT, the senator's lawyer, Dr. Ehioge West-Idahosa, SAN, did not object. At the High Court of the FCT, West-Idahosa moved for the matter to be struck out and also urged the court to release all documents belonging to the defendant and her sureties. The prosecution counsel did not oppose to application made by the defense counsel for the matter to be struck out. In a short ruling, Justice Chizoba Orji struck out the suit, and equally discharged the sureties. She also ordered that all their documents be returned to them. Akpoti-Uduaghan was arraigned on June 30 on a 6-count charge filed by the then Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation, DPPF, Mohammed Abubakar. She was granted bail, following which Justice Umar adjourned till September 22 for the commencement of trial. Meanwhile, she was arraigned at the FCT High Court on a 3-count charge bordering on alleged defamation. Akpoti-Uduaghan, in the charge marked FHC, ABJ, CR, 195/2025, is alleged to have transmitted false and injurious information via electronic means with the intention to malign, incite and endanger lives and breach public order. The senator was alleged to have, while addressing a gathering on April 4 in Ehioge, Kogi State, accused the Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, of instructing ex-Gov Yahaya Bello of Kogi to have her killed in the state. She was also alleged to have, in a television interview, repeated similar claims, to the effect that the Senate President and former governor plotted to kill her in Kogi. The charge is brought under the Cybercrimes Prohibition, Prevention, etc. Amendment, Act 2024.